In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check the source code of a website. So I'll be using my channel. So I'm on my browser and I'm on YouTube. So it's a website. So I'll be using my channel to do this. So to check the source code of a website, you just need to, right click on here, or Control plus U or Command plus U if you are using a Mac. And then let's view the page source here, something like this. Good. So you can see there's the page source. So if you want to find anything on the page, for Windows it's Control plus F, and then for Mac it's Command with the F. So now you can search anything. So I think in my bio of my YouTube channel, I mentioned a name, a mobile phone I use for my tutorials, which is LG. So now let me type LG here. G6 think. Good. So you can see it here. So I'm finding it here. So that's it on how you can check the source code or the backend of a website, the HTML side. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.